A group of people conduct a bizarre experimental treatment on someone who won't stop hiccuping. At first, they keep asking, "Did it stop yet?" But nothing works, not even trying to scare him. Then they start wildly experimenting with different methods.
A light slap? Doesn't help.
Next comes an Alzheimer's therapy, which completely confuses everyone involved. Things escalate even further into CPR, as they seriously but incorrectly argue, his heart is fine, it's his lungs that have the problem. The situation gets more and more absurd. Finally, they analyze the problem and conclude that it must be air leaking from the trachea, so they just need to block the source. After a series of chaotic attempts, they realize nothing actually worked, and the whole group ends up laughing in the end.